Hi children, now let us do an interesting exercise. You know what are nouns? You know how to pick the noun? Look, we are going to circle the noun. That means I'll give you a set of words, look at the words, find out, is it a noun? Then circle. Now, nouns that come under person, when you identify a noun, check. Is it a person, place, animal or thing? And one by one, when you identify a noun, we will circle it. Yes, it's a very interesting exercise. For this, you should know how to read 3 or 4 letter words. Yes? Let's look at our first exercise and enjoy identifying and circling the noun. Look at all the words. Shall we read all the words first? Yeah, that's what we're going to do. First one, all 3 letter words and 4 letter words are here. You should be able to look and read. Reading, it's another reading practice. First one, ant, goat, good. First one is ant, good, hot, draw, hot, cold, good, cap, hot, bat, red, hat, bad. So you know to read all the words. Now we are going to look at each word, find out if it's a noun. Okay? Person, place, animal or thing. Let's take the first row. The first word, A-N-T, ant. What is an ant? A tiny ant that comes and bites you. Ah, you will say, isn't it? So that's a tiny animal. A-N-T, ant. Is an ant noun? Yes, it is a noun. Ant is a noun. It's a tiny animal, the tiniest creature. Ant is an animal, ant is a noun. So we circle the word ant. Okay? Good. So we've done the first circling. Good. Next word is good. What is good? You do a good job. Yes, you do good drawing. You give a good speech. You could do a good painting. So is good a noun, person, place, animal, thing? No. We skip. We go to the next one. What is this word? Hot. What is hot? What mama put the vessel on the stove is hot. The coffee is hot. The milk is hot. Anything hot. Is the hot, is it a noun? Animal, place? No? Is it a noun? Thing? No. Let's go down here. Next one. What is this word? Draw. You draw a picture. Okay? You draw a line. Okay? Draw. Something you draw. Make an impression on the floor, on the book, or on the board. Is draw a noun? Not at all. Let's go to the next one. What is this word? Hut. What is a hut? H-U-T, hut. Hut is a tiny house, a straw house. In the villages, they have small, very tiny houses called hut. Is hut a noun? Good, certainly. Hut is a noun and it's a place. It's a house, a tiny house. It's a place where you live in. Very poor people live in a house. So this is a noun. So we circle it with red. Shall we? Good. What is the next word? Cold. What is cold? In the evening, it is nice and cold. On rainy days, it is nice and cold to sleep. December months are cold. Ah, cozy, nice to sleep. Is cold a noun? Cold coffee, ice is cold. You go into the fridge, take out anything, that's cold. So it is not a noun, not a place, not an animal, not a person, nor a place. Let's go to the next one. What is this word here? Cap. C-A-P, cap. What is a cap? Something that you wear on your head when you go out in the sun, in the rain. Cap. Is cap an animal? No. Is it a place? No. The person? No. What is it then? It's a thing or something that you wear on the head. So cap is a thing. It is a noun. So we circle with red. We found 3 nouns now. Good. Next, again we have the word hot. Is hot a noun? No. Let's go to the next one. What is that word? B-A-T, bat. What is a bat? Is it a person, place, animal? No, it's a thing. What is a bat? Bat is an instrument, is something that you play. You want to tap the ball, you use a bat. Yes, bat. Bat is also an animal that hangs upside down. Black bird-like thing. B-A-T, bat. So bat is a noun and we circle it. Shall we? Yes, so bat is a noun. Good. Let's go to the last row. What is the first word here? Red, R-E-D, red. What is a red? It's a color. What is a red? It's a color. It can be a red flower, red shoes, anything that you wear, red cloth, anything red. It's a red paint, anything red. Is red a noun? Person, place, animal, thing? No. We skip. We go to the next word. Hat. H-A-T, hat. Hat is something bigger than a cap, a huge one. Yes, those who go on the horse, they wear a huge hat. People work in the field, they wear a huge hat to keep off the sun. H-A-T, hat. Is the hat animal, place, person, thing? What is it? It's a thing. So what is a hat? Is it a noun? Yes. Hat is a noun. It's a thing. So we circle in red. Good. The last word we have is bad. Bad. We are telling that's a bad girl. That is a bad work. That vegetable is bad. So the bad is not a noun. So we do not circle. So in the first lot we have ant, hut, cap, bat and hat. We have 5 nouns in this lot. Okay? An animal, it's a place, a thing and a thing. Did you enjoy this exercise? Good. Remember, we are learning to read. We are learning to identify the noun and then circle. Let's go to the next exercise. Learn to read. Look what you have here. Again, whole lot of words. Just go. Take the word one by one. The first one is, read with me, go. What's the meaning of go? Go out of the class. Go home. Go and get your dress. Go. Is go a place, a person, a thing or animal? No. So it is not a noun. We go to the next one. Okay, first of all, let's read all the words. Go. Come on. Cup. Wipe. Cat. Good. Bake. Yes. Tim. Drop. Very good. Drop. Door. Come. Jug. A. You know to read all the words. Yes? Let's look at the first word. What is the first word? Go. Go. Is it a thing? No. Place? No. So go is not a noun. We go to the next word. That's a cup. What is a cup? Cup is what you see in mommy's kitchen. You can bring milk, water, coffee, anything. Cup, it is a thing. Is it a noun? Yes. Cup is a thing, it's a noun, and we circle cup in red. Shall we? So we found the first noun. And the next word is wipe. Wipe. What does daddy do? He wipes the glass in the car. You wipe the plate. Mommy wipe the plate. What do? You wipe the table, wipe the chair before you sit down. Why? Is it a thing or a place? No, it is not a noun. We skip and come to this word here. What is this word? Cat. What is a cat? Yes, it's an animal. Cat is a little animal. And is it a noun? Yes. Cat is an animal. It's a noun. So what do? We circle. Very good. Next word is big. What is big? Big book, big picture. You draw a big circle, whatever. Big. Is big a place or a thing? No. It's not a noun. We skip and go to the next word. That is Tim. T-I. Tim is a short form of Timothy. It's the name of a person. So is Tim a noun? Yes, it's a noun. We circle in red. So we found in the second row, two nouns. Let's go to the next word here. Drop. D-R-O-P, drop. You drop a plate or you drop some water or you drop some fruit, drop. Is drop a place or a thing? No. It is not a noun. We go, skip and go to the next word. That's a door. What's a door? D-O-O-R, door. Entrance into the room or the house. Every room has a door. What is a door? It's a thing. Is it a noun? Yes. Door is a noun. We circle in red. Good. Next, let's go to the last word. What is the last word? Come. Is come a thing or a place? No. C-O-M-E, come. Mommy says come. Come and eat. Come and sit. Come. Come is not a noun, so we skip and we go to the next word here we have is jug. J-U-G, jug. You always find a jug on the table with water or juice, or if it's morning, a jug full of coffee or tea. What is a jug? It's a thing that you see in mommy's kitchen. Is it a noun? Yes. Jug is a noun and we circle in red. Next word, play. P-L-A-Y, play. The cat plays with his tail. Children play. You play. Yes, play. Is it a place or a thing? No. It's not a noun. We skip and go to the last word. That's run. You run and play. Pussycat, run and play. Run. Is run a thing? No. Is it a place? No. So run is not a noun and that's it. So in this we have cup and cat and Tim, door and jug. 5 nouns. You learn to read, learn to identify and circle the noun.